Yeah, and I suppose this is a really good sort of posing question. So is fundamental movement skill our greatest potential? Yes, because if you get it right with young children, they're going to go on to be lifelong physically fit and stay involved in physical activity, or they're going to become elite athletes because you've got the basics right at the beginning. But also it's our greatest weakness, because if we don't get it right at the beginning, then they're not going to go on to become physically active, and they're not going to go on to potentially become elite athletes. So the significance of it in primary schools cannot be underestimated. And yet we know all of the issues to do with primary school PE. Generalist PE teachers, not enough curriculum time for PE. Poor understanding of fundamental movement skills. So is fundamental? Yes. In terms of the knowledge that you need to know, it's making sure you get that evidence that underpins what you write. Okay, so for the next little part, all I want you to think about, the research would suggest that fundamental movement skills has a significant impact on a young child's holistic development. So what I want you to think about, consider and discuss those areas that you think fundamental movement skills would impact on in a young child. And how does this influence a young child's development holistically? So again, we touched on it at the start about physical, social, mental. So I think what I want you to think about is how it will impact on them holistically. Okay, and what is going to be the negative consequences for a young child.